DroneShield, the revolutionary defense technology of 2025. In a landscape where drones are transforming combat, one company is making its mark. This is not merely another defense contractor. This is a technology platform that is reshaping the battlefield. Rocket meet DroneShield and discover why 2025 could be their pivotal year. The timing? Absolutely ideal. Globe Europe recently unveiled an €800 billion rearm initiative. The United States enacted a record-setting $1 trillion defense budget. Asia is gearing up to combat increasing risks from drone surveillance. Every corner of the globe is urgently seeking drone defense solutions. Why choose DroneShield? DroneShield is not just marketing equipment, it's delivering a complete ecosystem. AI-enhanced detection, quarterly software updates, adaptable hardware compatible with third-party systems. Imagine a blend of Tesla and Raytheon, a fusion of defense toughness and Silicon Valley innovation. The outcome? Recurring revenue through SaaS. In Q1 2025 alone, SaaS revenue jumped 198% year-over-year. And this is just the beginning. Financial power? Let's dive into the figures. Upward trend. Q1 2025 revenue reached $33.5 million, showcasing a 102% YoY increase. Moneybag cash receipts totaled $16.7 million, marking a 135% YoY rise. Flying money contracted total revenue for 2025 already stands at $94.4 million, and we're only in Q1. By the end of April 2025, they had $197 million in cash, no debt, and a $1.6 billion pipeline of global prospects. DroneShield's presence is truly international. Europe accounts for 24% of revenue. Asia is not far behind. Countries near China are enhancing counter-drone initiatives. The US remains robust despite tariffs. The technology's value is undeniable. Globe, even nations in Latin America and the Middle East are getting involved. Governments are not merely evaluating DroneShield, they are committing multi-million-dollar investments. With escalating drone threats, governments require quick, intelligent, integrated defense solutions. DroneShield meets all the criteria, featuring AI, SaaS, global reach, and substantial financial backing. This is not merely speculation. This is the result of perfect timing, innovative technology, and advantageous trends. If you think the next major story in defense tech is upon us, hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Speech balloon: is DroneShield on track to become the next defense unicorn?